what if robots were as real as humans? So that's a really, really important debate for our future because the technologies are getting improved day by day. So what if robots were sentient? It's an important question that everyone asks. It's been into science fiction films and films and books, and also it has been into the philosophy circle. That that means what if robots need to have rights, or what if robots need to comprehend that they are quote unquote living things. Besides that, there is numerous cases in which the robots run amok in our science fiction or in our minds. For example, I Am a Robot, for example, Terminator, in which the robots have a problem with humanity or with us because we are, emotional, and they aren't really emotional. They are emotionless. So because they are emotionless, they are one close ahead into perfection. And not only that, but the robots, in most of the cases, they are faster, they are stronger than us, tougher than us. And if robots have developed sentience, they could be also more intelligent than us. So they could think that for them to, evolve, they need to get rid of us. The robots have a difference between them and us. They don't have feelings. For example, you could say that a robot cannot love because he can comprehend what is love, but he can't feel it himself. That case is seen in Blade Runner throughout all the movie. The three main antagonists, they are androids, and they comprehend the emotions, but they don't feel it. Only the last android, at his last moment, when he was at the point of dying, he understands what a feeling was. So, if you want to marry, for example, a robot, it could be very difficult because people don't like that someone doesn't love him. So, to marry a robot will be only for very, very, very lonely people that really need or really seek attention. Or maybe someone that really likes robots, like anyone else. There's some people that like short people, there's someone that like tall people. They could be someone that likes robots too. So yeah, that's my point of view of what if the robots had have feelings like us. Thank you.
The universe is full of many mysteries, things explained by the laws of physics. Many light years away there are forces so immense that they make us insignificant in comparison with everything that exists. As we all know, the fact that the Earth is like today we know it is something incredible. But we can assume that some different situation of this. The other big question, for example, would be what if the Earth was near to the center of our galaxy or in the middle of our galaxy, a galaxy called or named the Milky Way? We have to keep in mind that in the place that we are living right now in this moment, it is in 1 hour of the Milky Way, far from the danger, in a distance of 25,000 light years from the center, from the middle. But taking as an imagination or assuming that the Earth was near to the center of the Milky Way, there are two big problems that we can take into account. First of all, we know that in the middle of the galaxy, in the center, there is a supermassive black hole. It is obviously an extreme danger to life on Earth. The black hole has an immense gravitational force that would make the Earth reach unimaginable speeds. Later, the Earth would be destroyed by the black hole. The other big problem would probably be the explosion of a big star, what scientists call as a supernova. A supernova is or happens when a star reaches the end of its life that made the stars increase in size and explode, spending radiation everywhere. Something that we can say that something like that would probably be catastrophic for the Earth. As we know, the Earth has a magnetic field that protects us from the sun, from the rays of the sun. But with an explosion like that, life on Earth would probably not survive. It would be something very strange for the Earth. But not only catastrophic things would happen. Assuming that the Earth survived, it would probably suffer the physical laws of the theory of relativity of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein said that time and space are one, and with a black hole near to the Earth, a normal hour would become many years, probably 20 years. Gravity would alter the time. Obviously, it is a consequence from this theory. That's why in the place that we are living now, we are fine. Just in the outskirts of the galaxy. Obviously, a good place for life wouldn't be in the center of the galaxy or near to the galaxy or the middle of the galaxy.